python timoriensis is a python species found in Southeast Asia. A dwarf form, no subspecies are currently recognized. Like all pythons, they are nonvenomous constrictors, unlike larger species such as P. reticulatus. They are not considered dangerous to humans. Timor pythons are a fairly long, 7+ feet, but relatively thin python species from the Lesser Sunda Islands in Indonesia. Ironically, there are no known records of Timor pythons from the island of Timor. This probably stems from the misidentification of a Macklot's python, Liasis mackloti, that is similar in appearance and does occur on that island. This is a very fast-moving, highly defensive snake that spends a great deal of time in the trees hunting for prey. Like many python species, Timor pythons have a series of heat-sensing pits between their nostrils and mouth used to find warm-blooded prey in total darkness. They are egg layers, but instead of laying the eggs and leaving, they remain coiled around the clutch for the entire incubation period. This maternal incubation serves two purposes: protection of the eggs is one, and temperature regulation is the other. Through a series of twitches and contractions, many python species can raise the temperature of their bodies by as much as 8 degrees Fahrenheit. Loosening the coils and exposing the eggs to more air circulation does the opposite. This is a fairly remarkable achievement given that snakes are cold-blooded, meaning that their body temperature is dictated by their surroundings. Found in Southeast Asia on the Lesser Sunda Islands, Flores, Lombian and Timor Islands. The type locality given is Kupang, Timor, Indonesia. Captive specimens have been known to accept birds and small mammals. Previously also considered a subspecies of the Indian python, P. malaris. A phylogenetic study suggests that P. timoriensis and P. reticulatus should be moved to their own genus, Progamorus.